Man. I hate you, Justin.
Whatever.
Go to Dairy Queen and get 1 million large Oreo blizzards right fucking now.
No.
Grrrr. How fucking dare you say no to giving me 1 million large Oreo blizzards? I want blizzards from Dairy Queen, you fucking idiot.
Hippo. You already had 25 large Oreo blizzards earlier. So I think you had enough.
Grrrr. No. I want more Oreo blizzards. I want 1 million of them. So go to Dairy Queen and get 1 million large Oreo blizzards right fucking now. My ankle hurts.
No, fuck your ankles, you hippopotamus. Hippo, what the fuck are you doing?
Grrrr. I wanted you to go to Dairy Queen to get me a fucking million more large Oreo blizzards, because I wanted 1 mil more fucking Oreo blizzards, but ankle hurts. But yet you decided to be a fucking idiot. I hope you fucking die.
You are a hippopotamus. What the? Where did she go?